Okay, hello everyone. Good day, and today we'll be looking at how to create a Instagram filter by using Spark AR. So first of all, let's download the software by searching on Spark AR Studio. So yeah, this is the one. Going here and we'll scroll down right to this download and then click on download. Okay, once it has completed its download, it will appear as this. This is the app here. So let's click on it and Spark AR Studio will launch. So this is the software. And from this page, we will just move on to creating a new project by clicking on blank project. And then a new page would be initiated. So this is how it looks. This is the entire page of it. So hi everyone. So now as you can see my face, let me introduce myself. I'm Arviind and I'm doing my second year biomedical engineering, taking the course of KIB2006, and here we are creating our new Instagram filter for today. So first of all, here we would be adding a face tracker, and then which is the face mesh, which is actually under the face tracker. So we choose the face mesh, then we insert it here. So this appears. So this is actually a mesh of our entire face. So it takes the actual shape of it. This one face mesh, and then the next thing we'll be adding is particle system, because one of our effects for today would be involving this effect here. So let's choose on particle system and add it in. Alright, so we just have to re-add into the face tracker so that now it also follows my face. So when I move, that emitter also moves together. Right. Okay, having the emitter here. So now let's reposition the emitter. So it's currently located in the middle of the face. So I would want to reposition it so that it is more to at the position of my eye. Yeah, I think it's just nice now. It's at my left eye. Okay. Okay, that's nice. So now this one, what we'll be doing here is that we'll be adding materials to our current face mesh and also emitter here. So we just click on this to add a material. So now it's more to a actual face mask concept, and then we rename it to face smoothness, because this is what that is going to smoothen the face. So we choose retouching here, and then we can see we can choose on the skin smoothing. This is more to the normal one, and this is smoothen surface of the skin. So we can just set it at 50% mid-range, and then we shall move on to next material. So next we select on the emitter, and then we also do the similar thing by adding a material here, which yeah, right here. Okay, so then we also rename this, and tada, it's going to be an emoji. Alright, so once this is done, add animation sequence, which is also going to be named into emoji, because you're going to be adding animation to this emoji right here. So now I will show you how the actual emojis are created by using Photoshop. So before moving to Photoshop, there are a few things that we have to download first, which is the face reference. So face reference assets by Spark AR. Here's the link, and then it goes to this. So this is what we are going to download now. So by clicking on this, the file will be downloaded, and then we will have this. So when you click on face assets, there will be this texture for male and female. So we're looking at this, and this will appear. This is just a reference. Okay, now we shall move on to Photoshop. So once the template has been downloaded, so this one. So what we have to do is we attach the remaining emojis that we want to put, which here I've chosen 3, which is the star, white moon, and dark moon. So as you can see, I've already placed them. Remove the background, so leaving all of these 3 emojis in the PNG format. Once done, I place them accordingly to where I want them to be, except this. So I want the moons to be on my cheeks. So accordingly, I've placed them on the template. And then what I have to do of the template, and then you shall export as PNG the files. So I will name it as moons, and then I can save it. That's all. And for the star, this is I want this to be later on at my eyes, to appear from my eyes. So I would enlarge this to cater the maximum size possible here, set in the middle, and then I'll download this. So export as PNG as well, and then shine. Okay. Then so now we shall move on back to Spark AI. So once the emojis are prepared, the pictures are prepared, so we shall bring it over here. We can choose file, bring over G right here, all done. Then now we go to the materials part, choose flat shader type, and then go to texture and choose that particular emoji. So now we have this right here. Okay, done. So once this is done, I thought of repositioning a bit of this. So we shall bring it to the side, to the edge of the eye. Okay, so this looks better. So once the position has been set, so we go back to animation sequence. Then there'll be the frames per second here. So we shall tone it down, maybe to 4. Okay, I guess that's better. So once at 4, basically this part is done. So then we shall choose back this emitter and duplicate it. Okay, so now we have 2 emitters. Okay, so this one, what we shall do is we shall move it to the other eye. Should be fine. Yep, both sides all good. So once both are done, okay, for the next part, what we can do is for the moons, right? Okay, what we're going to do is go to face mesh, and then we shall add another material. Okay, so we created another material here, which we will bring in the moons. So we choose on the moons, and ta-da, we have the moons here on our face. Okay, that's moons. And okay, done for the effects part. So now we are going to set these stars that are coming out of my eyes to only appear when I blink my eye. So yeah, let's look at how do we code that. For the coding part, so now we're going to select this birthday. So okay, that's this one for the first eye, and next we do the similar thing for the other eye. Okay, 2 eyes effects, and next once done, we shall move to face tracker and to create patch there. So we shall choose left eye closed first, and then the next one will be right eye closed. Okay, so here we go, face tracker, then we have to create left eye and right eye. Okay, so everyone here, let's just reposition them. Then next we'll be adding something familiar, if then. So this is the loop here. So we're going to add this. So we're going to attach this here. Then we put it up here. So we can add the similar one again. Similar look at batch here. Put for the right eye. So once done, we shall put the emitters at the back. So then finish this right here and here. So the circuit, the entire thing is done. So if you would have observed previously, the birth rate here was 20, right? So what we do, we set back that value here at the loop. Okay, so once it has been set to 20, so by right, when I close my eyes, this is what happens when I blink. And yeah, so this is the code and how it looks like. And that's all from me. Thank you.